This video is a short introduction to reflection. We will cover what reflection is, different reflective models, and how you can write reflectively. Reflection is the process of analysing and evaluating events to better understand the reasoning behind why the events happened in the manner that they did. Reflection provides you with the opportunity to take time to critically analyse your own actions and thoughts from an objective standpoint, allowing for you to use this information to consider how you may act in the future and to progress as a learner. Your lecturer may prescribe the use of a reflective model. A few examples are given here. These offer a framework that you may use to structure your reflection. Each model may have different components, and if your assignment does not require a particular model, then it can be useful to try a few different ones to find one that suits you, as reflection is a very personal process. The number of stages involved in reflection varies between models. However, the majority contain 3 key stages. There is generally a stage that describes the event, providing the context for the discussion, a stage that interprets the event, often through feelings and thought processes, and finally a stage that takes what you've learned and applies it to future situations. Other models can be more complex, such as the Gibbs model shown here, which has the description of the event, as previously mentioned, and then the feeling stage, which discusses the feelings and emotions experienced during the event. The evaluation stage investigates what the writer thought was good and bad about the situation, whilst the analysis stage analyses the reasoning behind the actions and why things happened in the way that they did. A conclusion stage looks at what the writer has learnt from the experience, with the action plan discussing how the writer could deal with similar situations in the future. Other models can combine and interweave the different stages, and some allow for a more free-flow approach. A key component of reflection is remaining objective. For this reason, it is advised that a period of time should pass before the reflection takes place. This will help you to take a step back from the situation and evaluate yourself in a more rational manner. The style in which you write clearly demonstrates your level of objectivity. You want to write in a rational, level-headed way, and the process should be led by reason, not emotion. Here is an example of writing that shows an emotional reaction. I didn't like the way she spoke to the group. She was too bossy and it upset people. In this example, there is little to no reasoning. It is based on an assumption about other people and not on the response of the writer. It's clearly written in an emotive manner. This example takes a more reasonable tone. At the time, the way she spoke to the group annoyed me because I think I resented the way she seemed to tell us what to do. Looking back, I realised I did not have any clear ideas myself at the time, and her confidence made me feel less certain about my own ideas. This example provides the context of the event and the emotions that were experienced, going on to analyse it objectively. It demonstrates that the writer has evaluated the emotions to truly understand why they acted in the manner that they did. By better understanding an event, a reflective practitioner will be more suitably prepared for similar situations in the future. In conclusion, it can be seen that reflection is the critical analysis of an event. Reflective models can help structure the process, and reflective writing should try and remain objective as much as possible. For any further help or assistance, please check the skills web pages at wlv.ac.uk/skills or email skills@wlv.ac.uk.